Hello everyone, welcome to Siggy Cooks. We all know the immense health benefits of banana blossom or Valaipoo as it is called in Tamil. I've shared an easy banana blossom stir-fry recipe with tips to remove bitterness. I've taken clean banana blossom in a bowl. In another mixing jug, I'm adding 2 teaspoons thick curd. Add little water and mix well without lumps. Now add additional water as required to make thin buttermilk. Mix well. Add the prepared buttermilk to banana blossom. This is an optional step and buttermilk avoids banana blossom from turning black. Let it rest for a few minutes. You can soak banana blossom in buttermilk either before chopping or after chopping. Works well either ways. Now remove the soaked banana blossom from buttermilk. You can discard this buttermilk or use it for any other purpose. Chop the banana blossom into rough pieces. Add the chopped banana blossom in a pressure cooker. Add very little water, just about quarter cup. Close and pressure cook for 1 whistle in high flame. Then take it aside and let the air release by itself. In a mixer jar, add half teaspoon cumin seeds, few garlic cloves, 2 red chilies, few coconut slices, and 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder. Grind them coarse without adding any water. The banana blossom is now well cooked. Drain in a colander. All the bitterness from banana blossom is removed in this cooked water. You can either discard it, or if you can handle the bitterness of this water, add a pinch of salt and you can drink this as a soup. It's good for curing any stomach related issues. In a cooking pan, add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. To the hot oil, add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Saute well until onions turn translucent. Add the prepared coconut masala. Add required salt. Mix well and saute in medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Add quarter teaspoon asafoetida. Saute for few more minutes until raw smell goes off and the masala becomes aromatic. Add the cooked banana blossom to the coconut masala. Check and add additional salt as required. Mix well. And simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. It's as simple as that. Your healthy banana blossom stir fry is ready. Goes well as a side dish with all South Indian meals, even with some dal and roti. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and I'll see you next time with another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.